Uh-huh. I haven't posted a video in, you could say, a minute, quite a little while, so putting this up. This is a basic update on what's going on with the 2010 zx6r. As you can see, finally finished it after all the damage that I fixed. I guess you can see the corner of the plate. See, it's all plated up and registered. And it works beautifully. Fun doesn't even begin to describe the feeling when you're on this bike on a friggin' highway, just letting it rip. Yeah. For all y'all don't know, that's my 250 right there. GSX 250R. Some people think I just gave up on this bike because I got the 6. But that's not true. Just basically take this out when I feel like, trotting around the neighborhood and when I go on the highway. Or as I like to refer to them, day bike, night bike. Day bike, night bike. And of course you see my brother bike over there on the side, 650. All of these are Copart bikes. Bought these bikes damaged, crashed, whatever, from Copart. And I just fixed them. This GSX 250R, this was hell working on because the whole front was messed up. Forks were bent, fairings were all cracked up. And I had to order all those parts and rip it down and then put it back together. And now it rides beautifully. Same thing with that 650. That was the first one that I worked on. Sold that to my brother, and the ZX6. It was originally green and black. I wanted it in all black, so I bought a black fairing kit. Like I said, most of the damage was right here from the muffler up to the tail where the back seat is. So I had to straighten that like frame thing that the back seat goes on, because that was bent. And I had to switch the muffler. It was a nice Aquapovic muffler on here, but it was trashed, completely trashed. Put the little ninja stickers on there. And like I said, everything is complete. This bike rides beautifully. And that's what it is, bike life.